Hello dear students, welcome to the mathematics class. We are continuing the chapter arithmetic progressions. So then let us see the next question of the exercise 5.2. In that second main question, so take those as your homework. Now let us see the third question. So what it is? In the following AB, find the missing term in the boxes. In the following AB, find the missing term in the boxes. So first one is 2, 26. So here this empty box, it is at the place of second term. We need to find that A2. So how we need to find that now? So they are given first term 2 and third term 26. So by using those two, you need to find the second term. So let us see how. Okay, given what they are given now. This is the first term, that is A is equals to 2, and this is the third term, that is A3 is equals to 26. So here A3 is equals to 26. A3 in general form what we can write? A plus 2D. So which is equals to 26. So now substitute the A value here and find the value of D. So here how much is there? 2 plus 2D which is equals to 26. So now 2D is equals to 26 minus 2. It will give 24. So D is equals to 24 by 2. How much you will get? 12. Therefore, A to A is equals to what you can write? A plus D. So which is equals to A, how much is there? 2 plus D, how much is there now? 12. So therefore, A2 is equals to 2 plus 2, how much you will get? 14. So A2 is equals to how much? 14. So here it is now 14. And next is the second question. $30, 3. So here you need to find what? First term A and the third term A3. So let us write first what they are given. Given that what they are given, this is the second term, means A2 is equals to 13, and so here this is the fourth term, that is A4 is equals to 3. So now A2 what we can write in general? A plus D is equals to 13, and A4 what we can write? A plus 3D is equals to 3. Let us take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So now these two are like linear, pair of linears in linear equations in two variables. So then you can solve these two by whether by substitution or by elimination. So here directly I use this elimination. A will get cancelled here. Minus, minus, minus. So these will get cancelled. D minus 3D. How much you will get? Minus 2D. So 30 minus 3. How much you will get? 10. So here D is equals to 10 by minus 2. Therefore D is equal to how much? Minus 5. 2 on the 2 pi. So now substitute d value in the any one equation. Now substitute d is equal to minus 5 in equation 1. So substitute that now. A, D, how much is there? Minus 5, which is equals to 13. Therefore, A is equals to 13 plus 5. So how much will you get? 18. So first term is how much? This is 18. And what we need to find again? So that is A3. So therefore, A3 is equal to what we can write? A plus 2D. A how much is there? 18 plus 2 into D how much is there? Minus 5. So 18, so 2 into minus 5, minus 10. So 18 minus 10, how much you will get? 8. So third term is how much? 8. This is the next question. Similarly, third question. Five, comma. So 9 integer 1 by 2. So first write that what they are given. So here first time they are given means A is equals to 5. And next, this is the fourth term. That is A4 is equals to 9 integer 1 by 2. Convert this into improper fraction. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. So now we need to find what? A2 and A3. So what we can write now? A4. How much is there? 19 by 2. A4 what we can write up? A plus 3D, which is equals to 19 by 2. So A how much are given? 5 plus 3D is equals to 19 by 2. So 3D is equals to 9 by 2 minus 5. 3D is equals to, what is the LCM here? 2. So 2 ones are, and here 1 2s are. So 19 ones are 19 minus 5 2s are 10. So 3D is equals to, so here it is now 19 minus 10. You will get 9 by 2. So if you take 3 to the RHS, that will become division. So here only I will divide directly. 3 ones are, 3 3s are. Means D is equals to 3 by 2. Substitute or else already we know that A value and D value we got that. Now find the A2 and A3. Therefore, A2 is equals to what we can write? A plus D. So which is equals to A how much is there? 5 plus D how much is there? 3 by 2. So what is the LCM? 2. So 1 2s are, 2 1s are, 5 2s are, 10 plus 3 1s are 3. So 10 plus 3, 13 by 2. And similarly A3. So which is equals to what you can write? A plus 2D. So A how much is there? 5 plus 2 into D how much is there? 3 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 ones get cancelled. 5 plus 3. So A2 is 13 by 2 and A3 is 8. So this is 13 by 2 and this one is 8. So the next question. Minus 4 comma 6. So first of all write the given. What you are given first term, that is A third, fourth, fifth, and this is sixth term. Means a6 is equals to 6. So now what we can write? Since a6 is equals to 6, a6 what we can write? A plus 5b. So which is equals to 6. A how much is there? Minus 4 plus 5d, which is equals to 6. So 5d is equals to 6 plus 4, 10. So d is equals to 10 by 5, 2. So a is minus 4 and d is 2. Now find second, third, fourth, and fifth terms. So therefore, a2 is equals to what you can write? A plus d. So which is equals to a is minus 4 plus d is 2. So minus 4 plus 2. We get minus 2. Next, a3. A plus 2d. So which is equals to minus 4 plus 2 into d value is 2. So which is equals to minus 4 to 2 is plus 4. So minus 4 plus 4, 0. Next, a4. So which is equals to what I can write? A plus 3d. So a what is there? Minus 4 plus 3 into d is 2. So which is equals to minus 4. 3 2s are 6. Minus 4 plus 6, how much will get? 2. Next, a5, which is equals to what you can write? A plus 4d. So minus 4 plus 4 into d is 2, which is equals to minus 4. So 4 2s are 8. Minus 4 plus 8, how much will get? 4. Therefore, second term is what? Minus 2, third term is 0, fourth term is 2, and fifth term is 4. So this is about the solution of question number 4. Now let us see the next question. In that fifth one, 138, minus 22. So here what they have given now? So given is what here? Second term they are given, means a2 is equals to 38, and sixth term they are given, a6 is equals to minus 22. So right there, a2 what we can write? A plus b, which is equals to 38, and a6 what we can write? A plus 5d, which is equals to minus 22. Let us take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now solve that. Minus, this will become plus. A minus a get cancel. D minus 5d, how much will you get? Minus 4d. So which is equals to 38 plus 22. How much will you get? 60. So D is equals to 60 by minus 4. So it is 4 ones are 20, 4 5s are. Means D equals to how much will you get the answer? Minus 50. Substitute this value in any one of the equation. Now substitute D equals to minus 15 in equation 1. Substitute that now. A minus 15, which is equals to 38. So therefore A is equals to, so 38 plus 15, how much you will get? 53. So you got that A and you got that D. So first term is what? 53. And next second term, what you can write? Therefore A2 is equals to A plus D. A